It's day 4, and now we are just heading to grab some breakfast. Today we'll be checking out from our first place of stay, that is Icon Residency, and now we'll be going to Vaitiri Resort. Really excited about that stay. Interesting property. But before that, let's see if we can grab a quick bite. I have ordered idiyappam and egg curry, and Sharanya has ordered herself ghee roast dosa, which looks absolutely delicious. Idiyappam is, by the way, my favorite, one of my favorite Kerala breakfast items. Decent enough. Okay. So dosa is better than idiyappam over here. So we are just done with our breakfast. Now heading back to our hotel. We'll pack our bags and then check out, and then finally head to Vaitiri Resort. So excited for that, yeah. Okay, so finally we are leaving from Icon Residency. I must say it was a very pleasant stay and value for your money. Clean rooms, the staff is really good. They ensure that everything is available for you. I have Mr. Nikhil with me, who ensured that our stay is pleasant. So Nikhil, if you want Endingilum Paranangil is Tharendip Petti, please feel free.
എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. എൻ്റെ പേര് നിഖിൽ. നമ്മളെ ലൊക്കേഷൻ ഉള്ളത് കൽപ്പറ്റ ടൗണിലാണ്. നമ്മൾ വളരെ ചീപ്പസ്റ്റ് റേറ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള റൂംസാണ് പ്രൊവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. വളരെ ക്ലീൻസ് ആൻഡ് നീറ്റ് ആൻഡ് റൂംസാണ്. അപ്പം എല്ലാവരും വരണമെന്ന് ഞാൻ അഭ്യർത്ഥിക്കുന്നു.
So if you are in for a stay and if you want to roam around in Wayanad, we definitely recommend to come and stay over here. Thank you, Nikhil. Thanks a lot for everything. So guys, now we are heading to Vaitiri Resort. Really excited, and the best part is, while the roads in Kerala are pretty small, but they are well maintained. So driving is a very good experience on Kerala roads. Okay, so finally we have reached Vaitiri Resort, and now we are going to our room. I'll just give you a quick tour of the entire pathway that leads us to our room. It looks beautiful. So there's a stream that goes from below this bridge. That's while walking, there's this suspension, which just gives you a bouncy feel. Nice. So also during our briefing they have mentioned that to be careful of beaches, but however they have said that that shouldn't be a cause of worry, because they have salt kept in every room, and that is what you can apply, and these leeches are not poisonous, so it's not, you won't be in a stressful position if you find any leeches on you. Also they have mentioned to keep your door shut, so that because this is a forest area and there are a lot of monkeys who might just visit you, so we have been advised to keep our front door shut all the times, because you know how monkeys are. They are kind of notorious. They might just enter your room to grab anything. So now let's do a quick room tour. I'm really excited to show you around because it is an awesome room. So come in. Let me just close the door, because we have been advised to keep this shut always, because monkeys might come in any time. This is a small lounge area where you can just sit and chill. Mind you, there's no TV over here. This is an eco-friendly resort, so there's no TV. Absolutely, this is something very nice, very comfortable, and over here there's a small dresser as well. Just chill. one important thing, as I said before, this is an eco-friendly resort. What they have done is they have, used glass bottles, and inside this is boiled water. So they have taken care of that. Also, they have also mentioned the date when this has been packed. And here, the normal usual thing what you find in most of the hotels. From here, this is a very pretty looking sit out area. They have just enclosed it, as I said, because monkeys might visit you anytime. So just to take care of that, they have enclosed this entire space. And yes, the best part is if you just sit around, you can chill, have a cup of tea while listening to this music of nature. Come on, I'll tell you one of the best parts of this room, and that's this: a jacuzzi bathtub, and then you also have a walk-in shower. Another unique thing what they have done is, not unique but yes, staying true to what the entire resort or the entire concept of this resort is. Everything is handmade and everything is nature friendly. One cute little thing, they have placed it on a actual leaf. I don't know what leaf is that, but yes, looks kind of cute. So the other thing is right now these spa services are not functional as mandated by the Kerala state government. So that is a bit disappointing. So one very interesting thing, right now I have no complaints with this room, but just for your information, this is the most basic room at Vaitiri Resort and it's really amazing. We had booked a tree house which is approximately 90 meters up from the ground level. So but there was some maintenance things going on, so they have upgraded us to their most premium room, that's the honeymoon pool villa, and I'll definitely take you through that tomorrow. We are really looking forward to this entire stay at Vaitiri's resort. So now we are heading to the restaurant to have lunch. It's a very pretty pathway, scenic view throughout. So now we are having our lunch, but we have a visitor also with us. Okay. So, however, they look kind of cute, but it's suggested not to give them any food because at the end of the day they are creatures from the wild, so you cannot ascertain. But yeah, this is a very unique and unusual kind of a situation that we are in, wherein a monkey is staring at us while having lunch. So yeah, different experience for sure. So it's a squirrel what this place is famous for, and you can usually spot them, but this was quite up close and personal. So yeah, this kind of made our day as well. So now we are here for our evening snack. Sharanya had coffee, I'm having tea. I'll have some vada and some tea cake. So, and after this we'll just relax in our room, probably take a jacuzzi bath, and then get ready for our dinner.
So finally, after taking a jacuzzi bath, we are here for our dinner. The ambience is quite superb because there's a violinist who's playing some belting out really nice songs, mostly Malayalam or Tamil. And yes, we have quite an elaborate spread over here. There's chicken, there's fish. It's my favorite fish, by the way, curry meat, and locally available, primarily available in Kerala only. So that's there. I am really looking forward to it. But before we do that, I'll just kind of show you around how these talented musicians are playing the music. टिक्का थोड़ा ठंडा हो गया है, but taste is nice. Let me try fish. Decent. I had a lot of fun having curry meat in Alleppey or Kumarakom, which is in the central parts of Kerala.
So finally this eventful day comes to an end, and I'm really looking forward for tomorrow because we'll be shifting to the honeymoon pool villa, and I really can't wait to get into it and even show you guys the same. For now, good night, but before that, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and yes, if you're liking our content, please do let us know. And even if you have any feedback, please feel free to put there through comments. It'll really help us grow, and we'll definitely take that constructively. Thanks a lot. Bye. Take care.